Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to make your day more productive and happy. Number 1, plan your day ahead. One of the most important things to start your day rightly should actually happen before you go to sleep the previous day is to make a plan. It is not to be a minute by minute plan, but should be a map of major tasks you want to complete the next day. When you are clear about your goals for the next morning beforehand, you do the things very efficiently without losing time to plan the things. This habit enables you to set out for work without stress of on spot planning and creates more willpower. Number 2, sleep and wake up daily at the same time. Going to bed at night and waking up in the morning at the same time is one of the big ways to keep your routine systematic. This habit helps you in completing your task without worrying about adjustment of time, as you are already on right time. On the other hand, changing your sleeping hours every day will upset your rhythm of doing planned things and will affect your efficiency. Number 3, drink water. In the morning, add lemon, ice, or cucumber, or just drink it straight up. We get dehydrated overnight. A glass or two of water first in the morning helps replenish your body hydration store. Since the body relies on water to keep all your digestive process running smoothly, drinking water will set your metabolism right, keeping you healthy. Number 4, meditate. Meditating increase your concentration as brain gets energy through quitting for some time by breaking the chain of thoughts and bringing peace to mind. Some people might not necessarily feel an energy boost from meditating, but still it helps us to think more effectively and efficiently to make the day more productive. Number 5, exercise. Make use of your energy to start sweating, which will reward you. Exercise releases endorphins, the chemical which is produced in the brain that help to minimize pain and discomfort and increases well-being. Endorphins is the body's own painkillers. So exercise gives your brain a natural energy boost. Endorphins can reduce stress hormones, helping you to start your day stress-free. Number 6, get out in the sunlight. Workout should be done outside in the sun. Getting sunlight first thing in the morning is very essential for your body. Research shows that light is what triggers the body to stop producing melatonin, the hormone that tells the body to sleep and be more alert. Conversely, experts know that not being exposed to enough natural light throughout the day can trigger mood problems like depression and low energy. So light is natural therapy, particularly for those people with mood disorders, circadian rhythm disorder, or jet lag. Conclusion: if you do all these things every day, your day will be more productive and a happy day. Plan your day ahead, sleep and wake up daily at the same time, drink water in the morning, meditate, exercise, go out in the sunlight. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if not already subscribed. Thank you.